Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of American muscle with the highly anticipated 2025 Corvette ZR1 Convertible. Buckle up, because this beauty is not just a car. It's a supercar that's ready to take the streets by storm. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The Corvette ZR1 has a rich history that dates back to the early 1970s. Initially, customers were clamoring for an open-top version, but Chevrolet was hesitant. Fast forward to 2024, and they finally listened. The ZR1 Convertible made its grand debut, and it's everything fans dreamed of and more. Now let's talk design. The 2025 ZR1 Convertible shares many components with its coupe sibling, but it has some unique features that set it apart. The front bumper looks strikingly similar to the Z06, but with a twist carbon fiber inserts instead of body-colored ones. Plus, it's equipped with multiple heat exchangers to keep that powerful engine cool. And check this out. The frunk has been removed to make way for a massive vent, helping to expel heated air and improve aerodynamics. It even has a lip spoiler for added downforce. Talk about performance-driven design. Inside, the ZR1 Convertible doesn't skimp on comfort. The cockpit is packed with features that any car enthusiast would love. You've got a sleek infotainment system, an LCD instrument panel, and even a turbocharger boost gauge to keep track of that insane power. Now let's get to the heart of the matter, the power. Under the hood, the ZR1 Convertible boasts a twin-turbo LT7 engine that cranks out a jaw-dropping 1,064 horsepower and 828 lb-ft of torque. That's right, folks. This beast is designed to compete with the best supercars out there. With a re-engineered 8-speed automatic dual-clutch transmission, all that power is sent straight to the rear wheels, giving you an exhilarating driving experience like no other. So there you have it. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 Convertible is not just a car, it's a statement. With its stunning design, luxurious interior, and mind-blowing performance, it's sure to turn heads and leave a lasting impression on the road. Thanks for joining us today. If you're as excited about the ZR1 Convertible as we are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think about this incredible supercar. Until next time, keep your engines revving.